Moa, Bibin Torment Man Churo Modino, na a dintrono chassienne, yet it is out when it kept cousin 50 mantemoa. I was your for, yes, say a cadet, and catch a dear toy, a war in 50 mantemohonum.
Yura ya wano and the Jam Tenedema and the Samuel Kuira Johnson as said Katia, one in some trough for 18 Comobi. I was your for any animal command, so I shall see a troll or more see exams and on that entity. Yet it's a different proof West about on Passia so HSCS secondary school some Kalanibi. I shall see a Bobby and I for officers maybe Suboso Moba and none a dosso.
Sunyani is about on Passiano so and a Bejan and Pennyphony and Sompa 98.9. 18 coming down 18 church on one.
I was your for Ashanti Regina Chief Imam, so the foot to Aquama Gada Madish, yes, as a Cobase, ye be so Maya, Yen I am for Hunsem, the Yanyas Asem for home and for Subabinoa, a Yabagatna for Susino.
Sadia Bayana, a Jumanwa Yisi and Obetima Yenti, and Sisi Panibi or Tuana Mobi.
I was for any of Fropinwa, the Akakasi and Yanisakasia Babia will be an Yumbre, not yet the Ababa Sumo, yet Yasadema, you may call Universal, National Clinic say and Canchero say a bantini, and a dumpedum penimoa. I was young for an inch Bia, say Universal Natural Clinic and also Okona, Yashedima was a dumpino, say Bosa Freche Sato, Edia Faho, Connie and Toto dumpinum for man and Wetri, Sasa Profite, Ebito, Suman, Soya Airtoi, a kawa said them, a kawa to them, okay, Kawan Keka, Universal Natural Clinic, self for Nature Matnaye, Norman Share and Fa Emma, Miss Zone 5G, Yagusua Yano no more, Nebusia, Miss Zone Medica Cachos, Mahudopi, your barco at the Mangune, and your barco so a dear brobe pineapple, and a cocoa ye, and your barco yakas and your bringing Nadia Bumusa, at the pa, and so a situation in him, and your 5G so oh no more Emma energy so come Juma, we piano with me aye, 3A Heba Center for, and the 3A co capsules a beggar so a cocono, City City a beer, a beshias and to twasie, and the free the Pedrian way, a speciala, Okokonoma and Conco for yam, Food and Drugs Authority in Penfogiatum, and until Enyana Eujaso, and at 21st clinic say and Canchero, say in Tinenua, if we see Yenum, a Sunday the foul, Sinemusa, and the Kwasu Nanko cum, and the far Ayawa Nentu, and the Kwasu Namponosuono, a Todayana Emuchu Chopa, Ebedu Babyana, Wagine Quaqueo say, Ebio Bina Bodia, Ubiamo Udia, yes, a friend is Yatica, now Paya Sabia Yajuan Matum, our ma bidden whopa, Uminim Wojuma, a 21st clinic in the Yakawasam de war, for nature Honumway, now Dr. Fokukudam, and your necessary for Honomono, one more and show. I was your man, my Vemwa, baby, I will be an Yumre Yetimiaba, not Yababa Sumwo, Mede Edin and Ayaboma Libya Boga Yumremene.
Nana, Quabana Kesse.
I was your for Yanya Brenna Fain Subno, Nemobro don't you young and Yanko to Nasrania Basam for Mamo.
It is just not fair. Are we killing patriotism? This is just not fair.
I was for your shan common and said the free IGP Dr. George Akufo-Addo Parena Tena na ene a committee noa I was your for more area George Akufo-Addo Parena in some no hono I was your for more ayo etras in neso ekokoye adwuma na adwuma no mo kokoye ye no sebeka hye so a efim ramraswe gefiem cha mehene right honorable Alban Kensos Mana Babin e de adwuma share committee yinsa no empenifo atwotwo wura pepia nkoma na akọ committee nanim amya totu no manoa yewura bugiri na bua erebi atwam no yetitre ne de man pepia manyoko no e wo sirema bonten so a enkomo nyina agya ne so no wakọ committee nanim empenifo atotu na no sa so na posifo empenifo a enkomo yo mo bom wo so no aposifo yi wo mo akọ ama committee ne empenifo akọ totu wo ma no ama busuafo enkomo no mu no na gese IGP Dr. George Akufo-Addo Parena ho bom a anotine ho akọ yanse committee no eto nsade frɛ IGP emo no so nsɛm a amanfo ɛkade to no so sɛ asɛkɛn ka bi suban ɛna ɔde ɛda posi adwuma na no a asɛ posi adwuma no so wo gu no ama so bɛka ya COP George Alex Mensa kwa okopie committee nanim no wɔde kɔto committee ne mpɛnfo anim sɛ nyambie nim nie bɛnfie aduasa ne akyire ni a wɔyɛ adwuma sɛ posi pani no obetima kade akyire mpɛnfo sɛ IGP we ya wabai wɔno ɛne IGP a wabɔ pa ya na adwuma yɛ nso ani a posi adwuma no wo gu no ɛno akyire so no posi pani ba ko ekopie committee na nim so kokko kire say IGP ni su ne ba bi wono mo a ha se wo ya ye kabi kenkabi tintin tirinti sembi ewo wono so a eno so enhya damoa and am so ma ne mpani for to nsa fra IGP e ma ne kopie committee na nim no de to wo nim say ensamo asa police officers aba be kanin na emufuo bia ne wono mo a no kure ewom aye nkontompo ne nabrabasamo a ensese yesoso so abusianfo IGP Dr. George Akufu Dampare se ne usika ne nsem fa ye kakra o committee na nim ne
that matter. They came out with wild allegations, Honorable Chair, with wild allegations that touch my person, the police leadership that I lead, and the entirety of the police service. Without, until today that I'm being told that now they have some evidence, without a shred of evidence, Honorable Chair, at the time that they were making it, without a shred of evidence. And Honorable Chair, those wild allegations without a shred of evidence has brought a lot of pain to myself, my family across the country, and especially my wife and children. That you are so patriotic because you believe in what you call Pan-Ghanaianism, where you think that because of your multi-ethnic nature, everybody you see, as long as the person is a Ghanaian, is your brother or a sister, mother or father, uncle or auntie. Then the pain also to my command, my leaders, my team, that we work together, that we all know, and the pain to the thousands of police people who are appreciating the strides that we are making in transforming the organization to be the best institution in the country and a reference point for the rest of the world. They came, made all these allegations in order to cover up probably the shame associated with what they got themselves involved in the first place. And I, an innocent person, focusing on my job, working in concert with my team and all commands across the country to keep the country safe and make it to be at peace with itself. I've been asked to come and answer to these allegations, which are wide, baseless, and I feel in my spirit that this is just not fair. It is just not fair. Are we killing patriotism? That anybody can just get up, make allegations upon allegations, and people who go across the country, at times 48 hours without sleep, just keeping the country at peace, will be called to come and answer allegations that are unfounded.
For way IGP Dr. George Akufu Dampare ne yete ne kan ntieja ensem ne duru baby no na chese kwesi bro ne kan se wakwa ye very emotional pa ema na eduru baby kro mubusa ne sa nyambia no ebetima base adwuma oye se pani a oda post adwuma na no no ne nnuanu mo nkomadi aye no no obetimi de ache wo mu ana ema oye ne se eja chade wo de beche na so obeyi free na komam ana se bi obeyi ne free ne no ebekwa akoye dene ede amano a IGP na oka ede akere mpanimfo se ensam no a officers ne betena committee na nim no ebeka ye no eye nkontompo ne nabrabasamu a ensese yesoso so obesori anopa na otempentenkwa etie hasuo ne bote esi na ni so nyina ene se posi adwuma no ebefa no ntuma papa efra na ye ni monyam hye ede ama officers ye wom ene omamu ne nyina no we ene ede ne bekwa akɔwie dia na anye fe antoye eno ache mpanimfo kobusa no se ne committee no anase ene no a na edi ade ncheche no enkoma no mu di ne wom se du ba bi kra yakwa akoto ba mo aposifo no mutimi fa ntrekese ne frakadam kwa bi so etimi ma ba ne kokko dane ema etoda ase ya na mo boa ban no wo so no ema ne timi di nkunim bi ne adeade a ena IGP kwakɔ yi ano se aposifo de anyam bi aba no wo mo na eto enyo mo na eto wo mo de ade a wo so mo ya ene se wo mu mia babom nsem eyere bambum ni omo ya no no sa aba ne se beto bonkum se beto nifa de eni aposifo nsem IGP anu ya wode ema mpanimfo ho no mososo nie.
But what is your reaction to this?
Honorable Chair, my answer will have no security implications. It's a very simple thing, and I've said it time with that number. So my views and the views of my team and the commanders across the country are out there in the public already. But let me record it by way of summary. The first point is this. When my colleagues and I took over, we realized that anytime there's election, we were too late to operationalize our security arrangement and go about setting up National Election Security Task Force and all that. So close to the election. So there are always issues. So we committed ourselves to mainstreaming election security in all our police operations. So the first thing we did was to establish what we call Police Election Security Secretariat to be involved and streamline election security across the police, so that when one election ends, the policing of the next election begins immediately. So this has been the template that my colleagues and I have been using in handling all subsequent elections since I assumed office. And we've done that for the internal elections of all the political parties, and we have also used the same blueprint to handle all by-elections. But this is the fundamental point. In the past, realize that all by-elections, from Talensi through Chereponi to Atiwa to Ayawaso and other places, normally do turn violence. So we decided as a team to interrogate the issue and find out what is causing it, and realized that we're making a mistake from the security point of view, because when the political parties are treating that by-election as a national election in a single constituency, we were treating it as a local election and then relaxing on the security and leaving it in the hands of the local policing authority. Whilst we have everybody in Ghana at that location taking playing one part or the other in that election.
I was on phone to where IGP Dr. George Akufu Dampare ni etene nkei enti where mra na committee ne mpenimfo ebusa no se eye no kre se mo posifo no se ekokoto aba no a mutimi chinchimu a e de kotu bonkum wa bra e bia Ghana for de akwakoto nifa ena na oyi ano e bobo nsem so kakra e de akire mpenimfo no
na ne fa ba bi nso wo de nsem kakra atudwa na wo kirem kire se ni nua ya wodi kan be kasa ye COP Alex mensansem wodi kan be tudwa na no fo me kakra ne sa ye nti wanya sa akonya we ni wo hwe na watene no na no fo mafo ye nyina ene se yerua no de atudwa ebere di kan etere se IGP we no wono George Akufu Dampare ommo no homoten ba kokka no so o da bi na opani no pese o ka se obbo no homoten ne mu na no na fo me o ka se ommo no homoten.
IGP, you also read through the procedural reaction.
You missed it. Chair, thank you very much. Honorable Chair, I think probably my brother wanted to say I'm the best and he missed it. Because the records are there for everybody to see. The beauty of mankind is that everybody has an opinion and he can express it in any form of shape, but that has not changed the facts. And this is the point, Honorable Chair. Since my colleagues and I and the rest of the commands across the country had opportunity, by the grace of God and the honor done me by His Excellency the President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, we committed ourselves to transforming the organization to become the best institution in the country and a reference point for Africa and beyond in a teamwork fashion based on Genesis 1:26. So even granted that I'm the West, then all of us collectively are the West. including probably my brother who was serving in that capacity as member of the team that I led. I lead. So I think it was a slip of tongue on his part. But let me speak to the issue. This is what it is. We, the current administration, want to be the best in terms of all those who have come before us. And we have a good reason for that.
Dr. George Akufudampare.
Na ebusiafo ansoa eja ansa na nkomo no ba be hyase no ade ba ko esi ye se IGP Dr. George Akufudampare one na lawyer fo a wode wo mo ekoye lawyer kwa meja na ne dom hyase so mo betwe manso ansa na IGP betenase na yatoto na no na ebusebusa ne nsema mana yi ano no na lawyer fo hyase so mo twe manso se wo mo eba ye wo mo ntiase se o mo hu se eye aposifo mpanimfo a wo mo eba committee yenim ebeka trosem de echira committee ni mpanimfo no wo mo nyina isisi ya sei na omo de omo bepe se ansa na IGP bebie na no akasa no yempa mo nyina emomo ensoro nkwansa na sa IGP obibi ese de kire Ghana fo a watwa so ase de akire Ghana fo eno eche so ne lawyer kwa me jare de to committee nanim sa committee no ema ono ene ne client IGP Dr. George Akufudampare ehunu adwuma no a wo mo eba beye no de bekwa akosie de be free maba ene nsunsonso a ebenya ewo na adwuma ho eno so ekokoye manso a na ne mranimfo IGP ne mranimfo lawyer kwa me jare ne dom wo mo ene committee no etwen ya na edu bebe na kese ya tekra yenkotie IGP na lawyer fo no lawyer kwa me jare ne dom manso a wo mo edisia committee ne mpanimfo ene ewieye.
And we have just heard a very erudite reading of the mandate by was it Honorable Patrick Boama, and I have to say at this point that I am privileged that Honorable Patrick Boama and Honorable Adaga were my students in Lebanon, and I'm privileged that they've risen to high positions in the Republic and they are serving their nation well.
What about the chairman of the committee?
I won't add that the chairman is big. And the chairman, he and I, we date from afar. So we are fine. So this mandate was given to us by the committee. And what did it say? To ascertain the veracity or otherwise of the leak tape, to investigate the conspiracy to remove the current IGP, and investigate any other matter contained in the audio recording. Because some members of this committee are lawyers, they appreciate the rule, accuse them generis. Accuse them generis. And it is particularly because of the three. Investigate any other matter contained in the audio recording. It means that any other matter should be restricted to a matter involving the leak tape, the veracity, and a matter involving the conspiracy to remove the IGP. Beyond this, the committee's mandate ends. So, and your own standing orders say how you can extend your mandate. You have to go back to the authority that gave the mandate for an extension of the mandate. So, Mr. Chairman, we are very law-abiding, and we want this process to go on smoothly. But we want the record to reflect that we raise these objections, and we would humbly wait for commentary on the part of the committee to these objections.
I'm so way I am running for Edema IGP Dr. George Akufudampare. Yera kwami jan ene yetene nkanwa na oresa no brofo nti baby anu okadia kwa kosie nyina ene se oho adwuma no a yede ama committee ne se omo ema meye no a wonde ohu ne se mfa so bia ni so se yeto nsa de frɛ IGP se o metena committee nanim no montoto na no mo sebusa ne nsɛm na onyi ya no wonde ofi se adwuma yede ma wo mu no eye se ene no a na ekasa eye hwan na ekasa no ena hwan na kire sa ene no digu afidie so ena na ode kwa akoma hwan botea na etechire ne sei ejiso office mpanimfo nyina ba we abegya tum se me na record ye we so ba begya tum se an me so me na me kan we ena we na nka ho we so eka se ya won the office mfa so bia ni so se nka no mo to nsafra IGP so womra na omo entutu na no abusua omo ekokye ya ekoye atwema menche wode tu bonkum na ono abo atachia ene ne dom so e de ato ne fo no edu ba bi atache aka kire no se opa on kan kire IGP so omo nsoro nko ai omo de omo pa omo ensoro nko mba bi na ombe so ayo omadwuma no sori ombe sori akono enkosi omadwuma omo eye no ho ekwan enti omo twen ya ema ensemu a eye opani Samuel Atachia edi tu dwasoso enie
going to suffer. I don't get it. What injury are you going to suffer so that we note it and take a decision? What injury are you going to suffer?
In the event that they stayed outside, what injury will they also suffer? And what injury will the committee also suffer?
See, the committee is not sitting only today. And please mark my words carefully. And I'm going to say it finally because you can waive your right not to speak. And I wouldn't worry my soul at all. These are going to be my final words to you. And I don't want to continue with the banter. I don't need it. You have an opportunity to speak. You see, these individuals and even the IGP are going to continue after here. We are not ending proceedings today. And some of the proceedings will be so important, it will be in camera. So therefore, it is relevant that they listen to what IG is saying, because the proceedings are not ending today. That is what it is. And the matters affect them and the IG. It's like you saying that in the court of law, there's a plaintiff and the defendant. The defendant is testifying. The plaintiff should go out.
I was going to weigh a committee noir. I am Raswij Chairman, right honorable Alban Kenso Sumana Babin, Etiye, say, and Nia, na Edia Dinjeche, say, and Kopama GP, Dr. George Kufu Dampari Free say, where ye NDC near, one NDC among you couldn't the Konakrana, the Yonko Brebo Pa, Impunim and Peneda, that John Dramani Mama, one in a dinko mo sie, say, Omwano, na Uninkunim 2024 elections, no, na Udinkunim Suswa, Obema IGP at Twaswa, Atana Honoma, Edina IGP, and our committee ne. Womo eton sade frɛ IGP a ahyase na ekwaye atwema menche na nsudin gina mbuo no IGP tenase ema wonoma etoto na nodofo ya adomo a ye tete ene se kyena IGP besa akɔ ama wonoma atoto na no woma sa so atonsa de afrɛ ekukuda mpinu a so donfo ya adomo mo so omomra abusanfo ye hyɛ mo bose ne de akyire de befra to bia no ye fa enkame mo
Ora Johnson na sedun katia na ye dwamtrani edema ND Samanyoko no ene sadie edintro no efrase no woni party no chitafo bi edinkomo e wo party no atran ekese mu nkramanta mu nsampi ene wode ma wo mu
you are see system breakdown but bro ha card no kura system bi anti print and you say enti wo premier video no enti me transit select ba bi ahoye NBC no say enye ma never be aware in this year and yet it's not that we are Kayakana among Fabina radio letter commission to mean the sound by letter commission. Unim about your letter commission. It means the son Emma Nipa among 4 people say, or may president or no Tanka. 2020 even voter register you come in somebody at you close one electoral commission my closing point of voter statistics constituencies no go how much your office what to transfer 4,000 then the big one is strong you be na if you are a contract na capacity ça ne m'a rien de so
na enuachi osade bi soso e fa se de na network no esi kire wo honum so
you are see system breakdown but bro ha card no kura system bi anti print and you say enti wo premier video no enti me transit select ba bi ahoye NBC no say enye ma never be aware in this year and yet Edina Debia Kayakana, among Fabidina, radio, electoral commission to mean the sound by electoral commission. Unim about your Milano electoral commission in there's a 7 electoral commission office in Moncodaho. Now, you about money. If you say, so I say, and family one, maybe a main trouble, you mean trouble 1, 2. The auto so no auto so until the obey to me and say Ube to no free more. Why am I first to say Ube for to actually dinner with the 1 year when you go to the free? In the far when you shall catch a gun and what you say, Achia a movie. Woman, you be out with me, I said, woman, you be called register. Now, can't make it about with you, people are drama next year for the coffee.
Dwamtani de ma Andy Samonyo Kono Yerwa Johnson Esedun Katia.
Na ebusian so wa sadi nchocho ye na abato komisa de mpene mfo hya se wo my Ghana ne ntrio do ene ne ntrio asaso o mo kire se wo mo madi mfie du ngoche ya wo mo nchochoro mu den enko abato onko agumanu mu no wo mo echochoro mu den dia komu na wo so abia bibi nti emra mo chochoro di ka ne wantima nchoro din no wo so mo ebie kwato won mama ene ye kwae na kokochoro din se beyo na asambere man abato no a abato komisa de mpene mfo ye ntutu ye ne yakwa akoto ene aba edi enim 2024 elections no edu wono mabusia wetimi akwa akoto bi na adwa ni chamsinsi mantemu a Cape Coast abonte so abusia fo ne ka de enkatwede to ade ya yeso obatan bi de ne ba ko waso de bansa o ede na koso wonkonko chiro ne din oduru hono mu a MPP ne NDC fo no so mo makwa ma akwada no won chiro ne din na akwada no mo hwese ne osigina honom ene ne ho nwadwa no a woni 18 years na ma me ne se ne munsum na ne ebe ewo mo ensuo buo a wo se ebonye se bi epete so eka de enko si obi asum MPP ne NDC fo no enko si ba ko asum ewo eye bia no a na abato komisa de mpedimfo echotrudi no na ebusu abractive ono ye patano na ha wono ne ye patano a ye twene ko no wode ne baba o wode ne baba baba twuro ne din na wono no a wote ne ba bi no a nyo na wo akwada no onyo so na eja akwada wo hwe no wo se chenkyere ncha hwe akwada no ne ho nwadwa no a woni 18 years wo makwan ma maame ne bade ye nturo ne din na awura ne se ne oboa ene ne so wa mo na wo bebo eka de enka wosi eye NDC ni na somwo eye police station hono na enoche eye NDC amanyoko no church for penia owo Cape Coast South abaton pesia so yewura eye George Justice Ata yene no edin komo emade ye koso hono no wo chichire mu se de kire yen
wom ni de ashasi mo ba hanu na registration no se ye bohwe oye municipal deni ana metropolitan assembly deni a oye first second floor na exercise in one first floor nkotin 1 year no down floor enem bremu no wonu ma wezi dam wonya access into mon force won ko register and the place was crowded into Mokro EC office or district office and ho minyin kaka there yes someone one for registration need be sent form now when you ask more guy tell me there when you as I was watch wire if you so hard before so it was as a result of pressure now what quite the work our extension board we see in your crowd there will be a registration it is happening here bibia when you as in they have to go and buy or they have to go and look for it or challenge again MPP for our once when you are the registration because all the political parties have raised a lot of concerns about that. Only MPP are enjoying. Look at the members of the MPP, and they are bringing minors to come and register.
Absuanti way ayo penny or ya church for penny de ma NDC amanyuku no ewo Cape Coast South abaton pesia so yera George Justice Ata and ana ochechi nsemu se MPP for no MPP for na akwa kwese nkwadan keten edu omaba begu registration center asia ye register wonu musa no na busua obo ne so bo wie ye no na mama no tu asam de ba okako bunkum na waka konifa kakra eno nti so mpa fm nsem for yes ye mo pre MPP for ni nkobu so mo se na ne mo so adenti na mo yesa chocho for penny de ma NPP our Cape Coast South abaton pesua so yera Alfred Ken Gatti esoso ene yedi nkomo kire se ne NDC ne no e kan de aseja na num ne keka no no titi de akire Ghana for eye emrante ne maba wa wo mo edi 18 years e na abegu honom e churuchuru mu din wo mo egu honom no obi ene honom a wo ya akwada obi ene kofa ne firi baby ba ho
only 18 years and Brandon there you gonna register yeah take a challenge from the challenge and tata say no quite behind you yan for minus gamba and tata say mom you gonna be na ha catch other the minus haban on mom no the minus server in tinya ne yan there you befa embrakwando dan Brandon say you would there be only 18 years now register yan pick challenge form inti na as a MPP party yan me on why I hana why in a way the mazin and on ya some America to wando or you know and what show what to house numbers was more and a journalist actually my friend baby from one by one this one house number one to bomb simply because why show house number down then I'm from my registration I'm a mutu make sure the mutu I mean to me security no more there security no osa and there more of youth employment for now at I say security for police for no 2 pen and more there or insufficient
Abzian Fonti way so ya church of penny de man pipi amanyoko no Cape Coast South abaton pesia so yera Alfred Kengati and yete nkanwa na ochechi nsemo de che ono so ya allegation send this for no so nkrofo a wo makwa kwese so mabegu ono no obi a chese house number ba ko ne ya church de ahye omo nsem entu busa no so wote hia se ye bia esoame a na chese house number no ba ko penu a eno mo nyine kurakura wo mo de ba enti NDC for possible and MPP for so bosobo ewo Cape Coast abonten so na yankwa omano so yekotie besia for your professional concern your to yankra e different finfi mantemo eye Erica na neja nan ye ne nkodi nkomo nkobusa na se na ekokosi senie ewura na ode ne baba ye no a na NDC for no so moma kwan e ma ne ntro ne din no ekosi se Erica nan ma joy
yo so Olivia waga
na ekosi se akwada no ma kwan ma wo tro ne din de
me that Olivia waga ya dia ene no Cape Coast Metropolis and none of her. The me free sending a new Messicoya and Noshi. As I'm son of an no friendly part, don't want about the book assembly honor, not comedy. Not if we got machines are a register more than a machine people and tendency not asking. Over if we see we are there, more 15 people be tired. Centers are over the center A and Center A, we are about to put 15. No for marriage form, no mundo for from a 37. And a nipa and being in Paris, no mundo 30, no me 20. Into Akadana and Casabe, you may be into me full or not, that is a commended name for them. Into the real one better 130. Sending a new message for on the bond, what is the name? Sompa FM. Rana and you register and 20 million. I may add more. And a mere promise you and you register and say, oh, have you pardon on Miami Jimmy? It's up down. Baby, I know. Oh, have some baby, I know dinner. Jimmy, say, Afghan, a bit natural in a country. So, print out and just say, I can't say, name it police over. No, me 50 months man mention you and ma you support trade memo easy for nan kasane bi o mo mention you na am so ma ke post not ni ke post out abuma na ke post net for me easy for ne bi o mo ti mu 50 months ma bi no mi 22 constituency no mo e ho ti ma e be ke post not and south ma eso so ani kan ni na bo mo me ti do e be bezi o mo e futu a o ni na o to mo o ni pa contenting e ba ye people can move up every go on the money with the important Pagonia, that 18 years now, one friend with Yaka on free a situation on free representation human show. It's now quite what you did not, if you have got that, we cannot make the difference. And a moon are with Newton and that to be a body. If you call home the plan and in Katwana, or have Bambo on one or two sons of preferring enforcement. No more push for non Passabat and now, quite national air, why you want to apply a form that you can plan it for community police. I don't know more doors. No more than and when you don't want to go on and the proper.
Na eja na nie mame musa we so tie NDC chochofo pani no wo Cape Coast South wa was MPP for asesa nkwada begu ono mo na NPP ni so ebo NDC no so bo so se wo so onipa omodu omo bae no house number ba ko pani atwatwa sho mo nsem na omo de aba begu ono mo wo hye bia na edin chocho ne koso no a nipa bae no wo hye wo manim ene wo mo ye bia ene wo mo ho se ne na esitie no a na omo ye nkwada nketenkete ampa saa
sabe pepe na Silvia Boga uni teni eji yo he nkonyi bia na yesuma de ba ya wo he nkwada ma na wo obi nenim wo se bi na obi wo hono ma ye beka so ye ekuna anu obi a wo nyini pa na ni Silvia Boga obi kan se na honam ni ye duane aye obi wo hono ma na honam wo ensa na su de bru no wo ntimi ta na wo me de bo ni ni Silvia Boga omo nyam da omo enya ifiano 18 years dodo na kwa yankura na ni tani no pentina no aya manyo simiti amanyo pon NDC poni MPP poni o hete ni swan kura ne ba o he business media na suma ba anu na wo nda kwa wa bo ni staff no ready kan nko da meburu be ti no omudi ne ti o ba eni ewie mu ho ne o na yi no da ba bu poni ko da no eni omo ba se omo ba intino nko da na ka da ko na instead nyan ya edini no intino sabe que ne no mo ko ni ni a chale bo de ko eni si party statement party obia se yam mo kita ne ma obi o ma ba o mo enya 8 years ni isi we na register da we isi we ni register na ha fa bo bi ne mo ni nyina mu no sanye afi mo into sanye tie no untini enyi akode ni se afra no na 8 years just laugh off the compliance form na compliance form ka ko peke no na ko dan ya register me you no na ko fe bo ati bi ne no both parties will bear kan na ka fe daira na implementation le dan de ko tin ko dan de do na do na no mo ye bo ntai ne ko dan ka tin te ni afran ka me tin ya am chi be bi mo me
Materi kanan ya da asia busuafo we ye nua oto ya nkra different finfin man Americanan na ye corner nche ni nyina e di ntwotwuru ya ekosu ya ho
ye nkosu nwane east abaton person no so ye nua no Sompa 98.9 ene omo so aye adwuma wo hopa ama woni yewura NS opoku ya wono eye sunwane east abaton person so no pani edema yisi woden sampi na to ye nua no animu
ye gusua ye register crofo ye sha se no twenu ye nko break crofo so online ye say and then ye sha se dey so crofo papa ye did say about to as one so na obia o se fantasy register no sunyane municipal and sunyane east constituency ye may register no time ye be at 2 years registration we are make us Sunani East constituency political parties we had here ye no nyina te said ye no nyina na ye adwuma wa ye no nyina ba adwuma bie no ahyase ye ko bia ye no nyina bobu ye nimnia ye bia enimnia eko into almost from cooperation there excellent said ye no ye dada no ye nyina ya kabu ehwese jumede be kosani
ebie mo nso wasande so ekere wo mo se obi o hono mo a na o metro no dini da enti wo ba ade wo se wo ye ne
se o ba aba the register o fifi no o hia se wo de niema ebiba nneɛma we hear so banana Ghana card. So why you here? We need be now passport and so go. So we need passport, we need Ghana card. Akwanya nso ho so we dey nipa mienu a won atwere we dey pay and now we dey we register mu no mienu beba no ma begina wachi na wabo chi dom na wet me I register ni abrofo friend garanta no we di nipa mienu and the beba so odi we no ba de a na je so ayi wasade ewi garanta na de ba no mane ehunu se ono no ensese oyi obi a wa dina nipa achi ama ma tro ndin eburudu ewo registration yeye enu nchi ubisa no se o ni gina obi achi ana megire nipa ba ku mienu miensa na achi a ekop duru edu no obetimi de naba
Sunyane is about on person so yisi penimpa and some way na yenuanom Sompa 98.9 ena edemane ye no woma so ho a omosa ne party no anam sifo ahodo ya adwumade no wase no edin komo
eba ha very early eba share kwa mo fast o mo ye o mo set up ena mo bibia by 8 o'clock no no ma ye o mo set up bia wi exactly 8 no na adwumade no na ashase no basa ebnc have completed with the process. Yeah, if you send the panel to do na be register. Police for Abaha, party representatives in so Ubiaba, our non so Babahena, Dumadino, Akoso come. And this is the idea, but make us be very peaceful. On BNC, yeah, she said me Akokama, because a lot of the people to Abaha. Omuni Ghana card nti ye hwese NI nsubetimi man homre so na otimi aye card no de amani pa bebre se be omoba ombetimi register nti amanfo nso wa ha omoba
yakwaya ni mo nsam from
Asante Regional Chief Imam Soso na dia futu akwa Ghana madehye nyina sese kobaso man yetu anamobi ye bibia yemfe ye hunyem yemfe ye hunhyem ye nya memfa ho sem no a etoda ya na ye de ko aban ene oman no ene ma ho no o de sansa me tudwane o barakasi abonte so wabra na omo eya mamre ni amane woni imam sene ahemfu babura duono ni akire na ehia o barakasi abonte so a Asante Regional Chief Imam Imam Abdul Mumin Harun eri afutu we ema Ghana ma de she
e ka asem a Ghana ma ye nyina ye sum Ghana ene ye nyina so ya aban ye ka se bibi a mo nkasa aman ko a ene ye sa de no na sa aban no so na party bi na de na ba me ka se sa party we nko ante wo no wo party fa bi wo enja de a obekọ akoye sa eman adwuma no enyina nke homobia sum Ghana se ya Ghana be nyanko so na register no so bia so more homoden na onko register ebi betina sisa aka last minute na fe na omo peperom so yensa enfa endane bi nkan ho ne nyina so na am de ka sika se baza so na etwe sika no ko na mpunto no so ko na chi nti e ka bibisa ya enfa je adwuma se de bebo ayen
Abzianfonti weye Asante Regional Chief Imam Yera Abdul Mumin Harun na yetene kananti di njochro ya ekoswe ene wotu mrante ne maba wanofo ne yeni a bibinti yenti manchro yedi no yenya memfa ho sem no na yenkonkochro yedi na oko atwemanwa biaja north abato mpesu aso a opani o yetitire ne man pipi amanyuku no ho no mo eye Alhaji Abdul Salam Isa wono soso ekasa kakra ye ne senani age di nchocho na ekoso no bibia mu da hono mo pa
se o se kan se ahyase bibi se ntuji bia o se electoral commission bi o maye no kama na nyenso no atinse aye first day ntinipa no ba no na nka de ne nim sanke be kiu na anyesa but nipa no ba na e bank kakra ene nenso nsu ato ha kakra pa nti ene nso ama no process no asulu kakra nti megidi se to us with the Nazi, into a bono, any information, communicated to other towns, and then I said the Nazi, even if I know and apart from that, and so parties, and so we are back, come and say, you say, ABC, Yenya issue, the Becan say, Bema, the Jono, Akria Konichi. There is me by now, NDC for any other political parties. Yes, who did home for more. If we say, for now, we be anywhere I see a hard na me say, it was to see
I was going to weigh a titreni demand Pipia Manu Kunu Chumango Biagano for Baton Persia, so Alhaji Abdul Salam Isa and not yet in Kane.
We said that Sutinamo, Ewo, Achuma, and Wabia Jahodom, and Jam Treni Yawu Dikain, Ewo, NPP, Amanu Kunu, Etimu, Eras, Johnson Tresse, said the banner at Traya, Church, Mampa Juma, dear Subetimaya Jumano, Ewo Dintroya, Air Cosso in Tine, or Kakano Hoya or Kowamwa, or Parini somewhat demands some trophony.
Led by His Excellency, another than Kukwado I am, a swing, a block at Incasso, and a shaman, any other executives, any patrons, a Juma, and upon a Ghana after COVID pro and before COVID now. But I swing and the upset Ghana full name, among 2 MPs, made my son and Cosso. Any summit, any swimming fly, and
na ne kwakwa mu kwa no wasande so so man samtrofo busa na say no ko atwema ngwabeja hodom no a party no mo ye dan mo beto apete mo betre mo nkwa mu ana mo ye dan
ankwa kufo ado amanga na be ka be hwere na nya mebo activity ye start limited registration no na His Excellency na na dankwa kufo ado ne sa entimi katagana so no ama MP to me once I'm MC to me on the word more at Mongolia South. About Mongolia South as well. MP Ibano Jankre and the MC Michael among 100 million Jumano. And to know executives of honor until in the car shaming quite name Kobwa a NCC for with that amount so that a way engineer or more intensify or more education, public education towards the limited registration.
Abusiana ne kwakwa mukra no Owura Emmanuel Kwadwo Redu Atwemango beja Panipadma NCC ne nsamwa odeja nsamtwofo kwan ni
atu anamoa etisa atanya wokan ni soma yen se afeya yewo Atwemango beja yebo mamba pa wasade no fa hudi awo ehudaro nyeni pa nyina na udi dwumaso a ohu na okire won ani so eni jewa se jon ba oba hai ade a ahye nkura ne se yenso ye kakra wa ye ewumu se NCC se de menu mienu nyina anim no ye wo akande ho hawo ewo ye dwumadi a ye dimu na nso kakra bi ebetumi no ye eni nti sanya ye no na ono nso aka na kuma ma no ba ye na ode ono nso ne mu akakra obetumi ede abeso office mapping said the beya titru limited process registration exercise I shall say a chinine ibetimi atra da rubonum na akomia ye nyina e wo yempotemu ha
Owura Emmanuel Redu odo de chemu atwema ngwabeja won NCC panimpa
Abusua for yan to aso ne yemfam mfri atwema ngwabeja ne mpotamo ne yemfam nkosunya ne West Abaton Pesia so e bono mantem ne moe na oba pani a wo gina e de ama NDC amanyuko no osunya ne West Abaton Pesia so apremra sebedwa konya no e ma me Millicent amankwa yeboa na ode afutuo akọ e de ama ehejo bojo e yezu e yeza idebi keke NDC amanyuko no chitafo a osunya ne West Abaton Pesia so sese wo mo ka omo abom se ye frukromu ade no ma aye adwumade a enye dene mawunum se akonya no wo mo ebegiade every MPP for nsem osunya ne West Abato Pesia so ma me Millicent amankwa yeboa enkomo a wone Sompa 98.9 FM D ye kakra ni
se ye hwe nipa aye wo man Ghana no ye citizen no ye hwe ya sitina mu a edem even immersion medwa mu for omoka nti omo da ya no cry complain anase omo say asitena mu ayede na campesa ya yemufu Omampeni, His Excellency.
How's our phone to weigh a oba penny a wono and agina diama NDC amanyuku no Sunyane West abaton pesia so ma me Millicent amankwa ye boa ena yete nenken
Yanko NPP amanyuku no edimu na yegyinamu ewo ada abaton pesia no so NPP amanyuku no ayi obi a wane mrase badwane ya wote so dada wandi samanyuku no dimu ekono akopre wode nsampi amansantwrofo bra na hono no nko a na ekọ kontonkro ya woni NDC ni kwakopre ensem wode amansantwrofo no eyese wedi ese enya ade a edin kura ohwe a NDC amanyoko no ewada abaton pesua no so no nipa ya wote sesia ene woni ya atwam nyina kabomu a emfinsia aduasa ne akire ni nanso bibia ni hono mo a obetimi de wonsa akire so se wei ena yempontunjuma NDC amanyoko no aye ne sayenti ono na note dunokwe no nyame ya atum na obedu sei na adwuma no asi obaye ne simple kra
Prone area, everyone knows that it's a difficult place for the NPP, or it has been a difficult place for the NPP. But I believe that with the unity, the dedication within the party in Adan constituency now, I believe strongly that if you also look at the trend from 2020 elections, you can't say you own anything or you own a place, because anything is possible. We've won Hohoi, and I always encourage my people that if we have been able to win Hohoi in the Volta region, anything is possible in Adan, and I believe strongly that this time around with broad mobilized Prone area, everyone knows that it's a difficult place for the NPP, or it has been a difficult place for the NPP.
Na ne kwakwa bu kwan was had so so kire sade ba akopɛ ne betimi aboa NPP amanyoko no eyen kabom.
It's the unity that now NPP Adan is enjoying. I'm a very neutral person, and I have shown that when you come to Adan constituency, previously there has been, or there are a lot of factions in the constituency, but being a neutral person who yearns for better results, I have been able to bring everyone that matters in the constituency on board. And you can see that, like the chairman rightly said, the DCE came in here, supported, and has promised to be part of the process. I am hopeful that with the sign of maturity from both the DCE and myself, party members, dedicated party members will also follow as such.
Eni ya etwagu ye eye Suzette na note donoki wono ena ejirem wa MPP amanyoko no dimu ewada abaton pesua no so
awsafo de mo free ada abaton pesua so ne de ma kwatwefu atimo kwa abaton pesua so mfinsi mantemo na ehonom na ejampanimfo akato wonom sesa de pa bi chew twede ampojan krompon ye wadom na eja katirema da bodwe moje di mu afusa ne wante atenkapone bia na sa de papa bi chew no wante asemfofra ye chi adehia ewotwefu atimo kwa ne mpotemade ye chenya wo monkono monkonkwa nipa mienu bi na asensuo ababeja wo magu wo mo emontene soyi yese akwada ba akokra de yesi afreno kwaku Isaac ya ohwe no wadi be 12 years e na opani ba akoso yesi afreno wo fa prempe dodo na afreno kumfante ono so de be 35 years e ba sa no mo yamsi won mo pa ma assemblyman no won potemo no mo onabo Francis Odum ene ensemtwefo di nkomo
asema Martin no kure na eye ene nansa na emofra mienu a mo wadua be kure a mo course mu ba so mu ete se omukọ afum no maamenum no omukọ afum wiye no nkara ne fa ho so omukọto dawa e wonsuo a efre no obuo no na dawa no nsuo na yi na baako emse nyame amfafie no opatreye na otum na baako no nsuo na emse wosua ne nti no oba na osuru wanka nti anwumire na mpanyimfo hwehwe no no mbisa na okache ne maame se omukọ ye no ne nua no sei na ekosiye ti mpanyimfo asoteye na nanso amasoteye na adeche na de asa nti adeche ye no musi twere so ye announcement e ma youth no se no dakwasi no mu obi ankwa sori mrante nyina ye ne nananom nkọ ya amamre ne amane na enumu no na ebia omunum adware no omusi mu nti abrante ba akọ a ono nso ka ho
How's fonti way assemblyman Yera Francis Odum ene yete se woni yenua Erica nan edin komo wo mfimfi mantemu no
fe yamra sante mantemu no ye giram e wo Soame magazine na Soame magazine ye gira no wɔn kyerɛ sɛ adwuma no a wɔn yɛ no asɛ wɔn yɛ ɛde ama tax force for ne sa yɛntene wato nsa frɛ nsɛmtwerɛfoɔ sɛ yɛmmra na yɛmɛtie adeɛ bi a ɛha wɔn ma adwuma no a wɔn yɛ no ɛntumi nkɔ n'anim na ɛntumi ɛnyina baabi a wɔsɛ adwuma no ɛtumi gyina na ɛnɛ berɛ a wɔfrɛ nsɛmtwerɛfoɔ nhyɛmudeɛ na yɛn nua bɛma Kwame Redu ɛwɔ aseɛ dwamtani ɛde ma wɔne a wɔtɔn ɛhyɛn akɔ a spare parts yi bia yɛ wɔn kɔfa firi amanɔne ba ɛne adeɛ mo kyerɛ sɛ nneɛma ha wɔn wura Godfred Adu Kofi wɔn ɛyɛ chairman na ne nsɛm ɔde ma Kwame Redu nie
gyina wɔ pɛn mu ɛyɛ bom so kwanta first na ɔmo ni yɛ ni saa ɛtwɛka bi odu a yɛhwɛ obi pa na yɛastampo na akɔ sɛ bom so tum ka sɛ yɛakyew container yɛsu sɛ kɔsta ɛdi tia ɔyɛyɛ no ɛnduru abra nneɛma a yɛkɔ so a region ha no yɛnhu bi wɔ other region wɔ yɛn nkurɔfoɔ ne yɛn nuanom a yɛne ɔmo di dwa nyinaa obi ayi ne nneɛma wie a wɔde kɔ ne final destination wɔ kɔ but yɛ ha deɛ wode ba a atete ne wɔ haw ne ɛbɛbɛ sɛ wonna anadwo mu no nyinaa gye sɛ wo nneɛma aba bɛduru ɛwɔ premises but nneɛma a ɛkɔ soɔ no ha yɛ dwadie wode firi takrade so ɛɛba a ɛno no so no yɛbɛduru wei na ɔmo no so ɔmo so yɛakyew yɛsan wɔ another task force ne national task force wei yɛahwɛ awie no na wei soso se wei da wei so no so san ehwe bi ɛno no ebi ni enkran other regions ni bia no yɛnhu saa nneɛma wei bi ɛwɔ hɔ enti yesusu sɛ ha yɛ dwadie ne yɛ yi no ɛwɔ ha na nso mpo no yɛ san kyiwa yɛ do kɔ ɔmo yard yɛ do kodu a sɛ bia obeyi nneɛma no wa na ɔkɔ abo yard wa gye sɛ wa ɔkɔfa forklift ana ɔkɔfa ɔkɔ ha wɔn kɔfɔ no wɔyi nneɛma no wuyi ne sɛ ɔsɛ sɛ egu ne nyinaa yɛ woka na wawie no yɛasɛn fa no 300% ɛno no so kaa na wode ba no ɛnam sɛ yɛkyi kɔsi wɔ no nso wɔba bɛyi akɔ ɔno nso bɛsɛ agye another cost nneɛma no so kɔsi hɔ a ɛnyɛ da naa na yɛbɛyi ama wo ɛbɛtumi adi nanu ne nansa ne na awɔtwe ansa na ɔmɛtumi ayɛ ho adwuma awie na sɛ sɛ no so yɛhunu sɛ dimorage sɛm no mmerɛ no so ate nti bɛwie no na ɛno no so dimorage no so asan ayo saa nneɛma no a ɛkɔ so no aha yɛsikasɛm ama yɛde yɛsikasɛm ɛɛhye ne nyinaa no so no ɛyɛ asanteman mu ha ɛna saa nneɛma no ɛkɔ so ɔda regions a ɛkɔ no nyinaa no yɛhu saa deɛ no ɛwɔ hɔ saa deɛ wɔ yi ama yɛhu yɛde yɛhaw ɛkɔto mpanimfoɔ no anim a yɛne regional minister ahyia mmerɛ bebree ɛde yɛhaw ato n'anim
asantemantam wɔne a kaa ho akwaa no na ɔkaraba na ɔmo nso nya bi ɛde hwɛ ɔno yere ɛne wɔma ne wɔma busuafoɔ no ɛnɛ nsɛmtwerɛfoɔ nhyɛmudeɛ no ase ɛna chairman Godfred Kofi ɛde nsɛm wɔ ma yɛnua bɛma Kwame Redu na ne korakora mu kura no ekuo no ma ne bi nso ɛde nsɛm etu dwa
asanteman mu ha ɛyɛ sɛ ɔmo a na ɛhyɛ yɛ bɔ sesesei wɔyi barriers ne nyinaa firi kwan mu but asanteman mu ha no koraa deɛ ɛyɛ ayɛ sɛ afei na ɔmo de bi abɛka ho first na ɛyɛ mmienu woyi na ma firi nkran na ade ba Kumase a ɛyɛ mmienu yɛ bom so ɛna Kumase ɛna woyi firi takoradi a ɛyɛ anwea nkwanta ba sesei ɔmo san de national task force ɛna regional task force abɛka ho a saa nneɛma na ɛkɔ so no ɛnkɔ so wɔ other regions ni bia yɛn ɔmo nyinaa na ɛyɛ adwuma nti no yɛbisa sɛ ɔmo wɔn kran yɛn ɔmo nyinaa na ɛkɔ kwan so yɛn nyinaa na yɛkɔfa nneɛma no sika korɔ nneɛma bɔbɔkorɔ na yɛtɔ no yɛtua container charges ne nyinaa pɛ yɛn nyinaa yɛbɛtua the same duty wɔyi ne nneɛma a wɔde kɔ ne premises yɛn kora deɛ yɛyi yɛ nneɛma a yɛka ɛwɔ mu yɛka sika no ɛboro ɔmo deɛ so ɛna beside that yɛsa wɔ risk with accident ne adeɛ ebɛtumi asi na wo ba wo bɛtena bom so wudu ha at first na ka do na ma hwe paper the one we were in that wudu Kumase a the same thing now but now wudu a yetu ba bom so tika se wo match wo yesu se duty wuti a ɛnyɛ sɛ abra de o ni free plan na wo de
yɛkɔyɛ ne mu wɔnsɛm foforɔ
abusuafoɔ yɛde mo kɔ ɛyɛ wasi exams no a yɛnuanom nkuma no wɔma hyɛ ase a wɔmɔ ɛtwerɛ no na ɛnam so ma de w'ani kyerɛ Pru West abatɔ mpɛsua so a abusuafoɔ deɛ yɛ teteɛ ne sɛ yɛse sɛdeɛ bi yɛnanfoɔ tata secondary school so a ɛwɔ ɛyɛ mpɔtɛmmɔ no mo nya asɛm ketewa ɛnam so ma assistant headmaster wɔda ɛyɛ Tamase senior high school ano yɛwura Sulemana Faisal ɛde atogya sɛ ne nsie bebree ni a wɔde akyerɛ adeɛ ɛde ayɛ assess assistant headmaster no wo hu bi da sen collateral wasi exams na BNI for tata wonum BNI for hu no mo saa wo so ohunu bi da na saa de na ekoso no ha adwene di hu beru ankoda ni mu a enso we ne kra ne be wiase no na omo antimi antwero
nti omo ma ya so ti asese obi a betuma ba as an observer aside omo supervisor names data omo form omo show mensa any other authorized person betuma ba so Baba observe the conduct of the exams. But Nepanoba, he or she has a limit. But then Mr. Fui dear no the meet markers unprecedented. Unprecedented in the sense that why for no buy. And Mr. Omo Deputy National Register buy. Mutuobano or the backup from the National Security buy. JDN say normal routine. So they came with their introduction or money or ID card. You know, we are going to say, for this. Emma Moka say, Santa, they have full confidence in our Santa, and Yenny and Father, Ajay, Boa, and Sofian Way. In terms of Wednesday, the next day, the Bible paper English. Until she young Paran Senabaya arrangement in Koyan assistant. A month for letter be an ID card, interest supervisor. Because we didn't want.
I was going to weigh a assistant headmaster or that school no and yet in Kena and Qualano so the Cacrasso so tell Yankuti in Qualano, Omsus some of the 2 years.
A final year student of Thomas but I called my master and told him that this is what I'm feeling, duties, whilst we're having the paper. So my first time seeing the, how do you call it, the gun with the ankle, I was not able to write my paper due to the shock I was having. So I called my master and told him that this is what I'm feeling. I started vomiting. So he told me that I should take time and calm down. I was not able to control my temper, so they were too sick. On Thursday morning, when we were about to write our English paper, we came into the school around 6:30. We saw some people. They were armed with ankles, and they were too scary. I was seeing them like I got frustrated. I was in the hospital.
I was appointing Qualano so dear and no way just who will be okuta handcuff for that and the was so just who will be okuta to just say Najasa Baba I am Sisi Emma Denocrano woman to me antro.
Munasa Yaria be Hawa, Emma Renfisa 21st clinic na Yaka Wasa Machero. Asamno Ayatia. Sausha TV Nusudina or Facebook Live any YouTube Noah. One was a Sadia Yaria friend Sasiatacano about so a Sia Wono. And that's why I head out to your boss. You doing the camera at the actual one. If you will see a chihonum, so we are better, my better. Baby, a better, and that will see a chinefa or to if I will see him, never one none to never see one night see for no. Sayariano, any offender says Siataka, and I dear had yepa. Say, been edited what Ghana has a Mr. Throat never from the Hanyam say, a hen of a pa now cry, but Massa Yarian amount. Abra and your 21st clinic. Baby, I walk on Usika near Bejidia, the Nemono, 21st clinic, there was a bra. Nescienti, ya 2 branches no petty. Mr. Kumasi, Yawaha, and we are overseas where by Alpha Radio, Wabuase, Cancer Cotters, or Court Johnson, Yaho, Domi Market, one Cramantam, your Hosuyan and Kranta Tachiman, Asempa Hoyana 8 year 0540 311 311. 0540311311. What friend number na baby a bewono near Chero na wabahonum 3A Herbal Center near Wasabra na Sisia dear Coco and Yam Timno Yentua Siemfamau. Adeba Comani Perbian when in Kawabrabumukrano a Coco and no Chayam Tim Hawa or Dawanda. Uba prayer name 50 born in every war. Why have Rebecca's wife was with Catesso name 50 in every wasano and watch Siciadiano Ebeco. Ye qua ye Benyano a Siciadia Wajuma, Misrao, Bomatina, Yentua Siemfama. Colin Nack, Danny Heba, Misty, and Afin Swapidank. 0546 107 107 0546 107 107. Universal Natural Clinic say, Bra na yenyu yariani na enguho na wonfa ni jene hurusie ekofie. Wase ye twa massage papa bi enu achi scan papa bi ni ye twa wo. Ye mama herbal treatment papa bi wonpa we na apade he. Yare efri wo nambrom kosi wa pampam. Universal Natural Clinic. Misra Atonsu S line ye be bonsuom ho a. Atonsu S line ya ebe bonsuom Universal be bia wo se bia no tutumiri kabra yare no wote yan kapena wo dwane 0556 224 102 0556 224 102. Eya Jimizo ni benum pachawo. Jimizo ni bi na je 5G ni bi ka ho. Mo amoton drinks ni nsuo okwan ho ka mu ni ade nyina so. Mesra mo eye mizo na 5G number na egu ase no. Wonya frɛ ya Dr. Silas ba bia mo bia no. Obe package bi kama na ode ama wo. 0246 270 221 0246 270 221. Nana
Asedan Koma production team boy echi do ma nwumre bia wo bia ne timi ba besom wo akoso asomua echinchin fidie ne de maye ya Grace ne Buzi na ekeka yemfoni ahodo nyina sie ne de maye ekua Benes ne emrante ne maba wa ne Kelvin nom Emmanuel bibia eta ye chi maye timi ba aba besom ye samofo pene ene ye Asante ye bo abene tabusiafo ye de kase na si ne yemfa eyenkai boy ento amoso yemfa eyenkai boy ento so nafi asem di mpeni pada da bia kwabrane ne de ho beba be wo so yemfa asem mpeni padwumadi ento amoso abusia pani Dr. Kwame Poku retired MD Nature Group of Companies and KJT Poku asefo nyina eye nkwadua se dampon nana eye Dr. Ajenim Boaten eye nana Muamman hene Berma Sase aye boafo tosumye no eye na mamponte hene oba pani akosua de ewo himan kusi yeboa woni ne nuanom ene debusua nyina Mame Julia Japan Poku eye senior lecturer Kumasi Technical University wo ye eba Mame Doris Ajiman so ekwe free ye na dodo no ade frɛ no wono so Kumasi wo ye basa Pastor Derek Japan Pastor Derek Japan Poku Vancouver Canada Bonten so wono so ye basa Mr. Edmond Poku MD Next Coco Tema wono so ye ba ene Nana Fredia Ajiman wono so eye ba ewo London obekunafo a nsu mo tie nsu mo edwa no eye Mame Margaret Kusi yeboa wo nyina na ne abusua akabomu eso esi adofo ese edwamfo se wono papa womo enana womo ekunu womo nua bema womo ewofa womade nyina Yera Nelson Opoku ya na wotiase na dodo no efre se kwam Japan a na oye pene kwankyerefo eda amoakoa transporter no papa akankyene go wabra aduane esigya so we frontma ne tintimo na busua na yie enhyehyeye enie Yakopon ya doma memende ya edi anim ya ye de papa ebetumpam ewo nifia ewo Santase runabout wo de wani akyere te se ne ye wokọ eye ahodjo runabout no Lizzie Hotel no a ewo eye Palace Mall nche ho no papa fie ene wo ho no ne ho ene ye de papa betumpam Yakopon ya doma memende edi anim ya amache be no 9 de na ye de papa tumpam amadafo ekwakusun ahye papa eni echi kakra ye besu ejam papa be no nwotwe de na ye de papa akoroma na safo a ewo Kwame Nkrumah apon mo na asofo akwakobo mass e de ama papa na fi yakọ ni akwa papa ewo tafo amusieye ye wie ya ye beba betena se wia be donko na ya ba be nom papa sikasa ewo Kwame Nkrumah aponum eye poolside honom no wo mo green grass na honom no eho na abusua betena se emadofo ebekọ edi num akwakotu num ade a chine kwasi da so a ye bekọ ne de aseda akwa matwedi amponyankrompon ifze benfie bebre ni na de papa dum abusua de papa edum ma de papa edum oyere na waton safre ni brem so omra no magina homia wose ade agina mu yemfa sedama no nti ade achi ne kwasi da so a eye Roman asafo a ewo Kwame Nkrumah apom honom no ye besa akọ ne de aseda akwa matwedi amponyankrompon na wia yasa so atenase ewo ni fia ewo eye Santase runabout do wani kire eye ahodjo runabout no mese eye Lizzie's Hotel ne nche ho a Palace Mall ho no a ne nche ho no a papa fie ye betenase kwasiada na ne sikasa ya toasoa anom ebusua se papa tiase no na enkono a enkobeba yesu so akwa yenkuja womo se adekese na atomani no nti omo tonsa fra santaman tonsa fra Ghana man tonsa fra wiase se omade kese na eye ekro no yemrai na usun ya ebusua ene adofo chese dum abusua no yemra na yemepepa womo eniwa mu ne suo nti ono ankobeba na me ye baaye tonsa fra adofo ne yamfo nyina se Yakopon ya adoma memenda ene kwasiada yanko kan busua ho na papa Nelson Opoku ano tiasie ne ye friend Kwame Japan a no ye pene kwanchefo eda amoakoa transport wano no yenko na yenko nkoja busia no monkra na chikra abuzia de yenka bonisi ase ye sorry kofuri na pamfo sum na afei asem empedi pedwumadie atoaso
Suma wacha suma onyamicha ai onyamicha no beso o man yiri yawo edubo